elegance of the universe that we live in together is that whatever you need is going to be presented to you, within you, provided for you, in the way that best evokes and allows for you to create the soul's path, the soul's journey, the soul's purpose that you wish to create in this lifetime. It's funny because as I'm saying this, I know there is someone asking, but how could this be? Like, how could it be that you live in a world where the exact examples, experiences, and things happening are exactly what you need to evoke the experience of this lifetime that your soul desires? To that I say, that's how magical and amazing our universe is. I really deeply and truly believe, even with all of the troubles and turmoil of the world, this is one of the most amazing places to live in the universe because of how much is available to you, how much you can do, how much you can experience, how much you can play. Doesn't mean it's all play, doesn't mean it's all fun. Like, obviously there's work, there's yin and yang, there's masculine and feminine, there's all of these different elements. You have the ability to have a desire, have something that comes from your mind or your heart or both together, that you visualize, that you formulate, that you, if you can, put it into words, and then you move towards it. You co-create and craft your life around you to create the experiences that you deeply desire and that make you super excited for life. The irony is that, to put it in a metaphor, most people are asleep. Most people feel disempowered, unempowered, powerless. Most people, not most, but a lot, are in a victim state, are not realizing the potential that you have. And look, I'm not coming at this from some high and mighty place. Even this week, I realized one limiting belief that I had, one way that I was showing up, that was emphasizing the lack, the smallness of me. And I thought, why am I even thinking that way? Why am I even believing that? It's something I had believed for so long. And now I think, no, I've made the choice. I'm not going to think that way anymore. I'm not going to act that way anymore. I'm not going to believe that way anymore. Now, this change of awareness, of consciousness, has been building. And I do have others around me who are helping support it, who are seeing that in me, who are reflecting that back to me. And I'm highlighting this because this is important for you. If you wish to change your consciousness, to change your awareness, and in effect, then your experience of life will change, you need to have others around you who can coach you, or who can see you, who can see and believe the things that you wish to believe, and who believe it as much as you do. One of the most amazing things that happens when I work with somebody is, by tapping into spirit, by tapping into your higher self, I see without a shred of a doubt, without a shred of any unknowing, how great and wonderful and powerful and amazing you are. I see that. I talk to you about it. I affirm that. And the people who work with me in a coaching container, where we work together for 3 months or 6 months, every week that we're connecting, I'm confirming and affirming this vision of you that I see. I'm holding that for you, and you're holding that for yourself. And so it becomes easier and easier and easier. And so at one point, it's clearly, easily just a decision where you say to yourself, and now I believe this thing about me. There will be moments, for most of us, even if we've made that belief, where another thought, the old thought, comes up in your mind. But what has happened when you've done enough foundational groundwork, when you've released the old beliefs, and you're adopting the new ones, is you'll see that, and it'll just be like any other old habit that doesn't serve you. You'll see it. You might even start to do the old habit, and then you'll think, nope, I'm going to choose the new habit. I'm going to choose the new thought. I'm going to choose the new awareness. I'm going to live in that. I'm going to be in that. That is what I'm super excited for you. It literally can be that easy. It might not always feel like it's that easy. And if that's the case, it's okay. there are ways in which you can immerse yourself more in the belief of your power, of your greatness, of your uniqueness, of the fact that you have a special thing that you want to experience, that you want to create in this lifetime. And even if it feels like this thing that you want to create is something that is a little bit unbelievable, the more you keep on believing and showing up, the more you confirm and affirm that it is totally possible. And there comes a point in which it's just inevitable. And again, I will highlight having those around you, friends, peers, coaches and psychics, other people who believe that and see that too and affirm that for you. That is what will help you create it. That is what will help you magnetize it. That is what will help you to solidify the beliefs and the awareness in yourself that you are creating this, that your success is inevitable. It's going to be an incredible experience. If you have questions about working together with me, you can reach out to me. I'm right here for you. I'd love to connect and support you in whatever way would be most beneficial for you. If you're not interested in working together right now, just go ahead and make sure that you give this video a heart and comment below, because that helps it reach somebody else who needs to hear this message today. Thanks.